What's up, guys? Jimmy here with another mystery package. Today, this one is from Activision, so I want to thank the folks at Activision for sending this to me. Guys, honestly, I have no idea what this is. It's a little bit heavy, and it sounds like there's multiple things in it, but I don't know. I have no idea. So let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? Slice there. Slice there. Cross there. Don't want to puncture my Uncharted board game. Okay. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Wow. There is a ton of Skylanders stuff in here, guys. Look at that. That is amazing. I'm going to go over you guys right now what is included in this. This is awesome. I've been having a great time with Skylanders. Playing co-op is a lot of fun. For those of you guys that are looking for a very fun co-op game, definitely pick up Skylanders SWAP Force. I'm going to show you guys what's included. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is nuts. Okay, I'm going to get behind the camera here. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. We have Spyrise right there. Very cool. It's got the climbability. Tech element. Very cool. Handshaking. Oh my gosh, this is nuts. We have Firebone hot dog. So we've got the flame or the fire there. Sweet. We've got Stink Bomb. Very cool character. A lot of people like this character. He is one of the swappable characters, Stink Bomb there. And I should have pointed that out too. Spyrise, he is a swappable character too, and he's got like these kind of cool like legs. Pretty awesome. We have Rebel Rouser, who is the he's got the ability. He's got the digging, and also he's got the earth element. Pretty sweet. That is Rob Rouser. Not played him. Nice. Got another swappable here. We've got Freeze Blade, the water element, speed ability. Have not played Freeze Blade yet. Very cool. Wow, oh my gosh. Oh, sweet. Got a second Freeze Blade. So got two of them. Pretty nice. Okay, another swappable here. Sweet. We've got the sneak ability. Got the magic element. He's got like this bear trap with him. I've never played this guy. Awesome. Trap Shadow. So there is Trap Shadow. Oh my gosh. Got a second Trap Shadow there. Very cool. We have Turbo Jetvac. Very nice. There. Turbo Jetvac. Another one I've never used before. We've got Scratch. Awesome. And I've not played this one either. Frino. Kind of funny looking character. Do a little co-op with him and Lava Barf Eruptor. Oh my gosh, that's nuts. We got a second Frino. Very nice. Wow, that is amazing. Well, guys, there's a very sweet, unbelievable mystery package from Activision. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Some really cool characters. I can't wait to play through the game with these guys and with co-op. A family member of mine loves playing this game. I love playing the game. So anyway, thank you, Activision. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely smack that thumbs up button. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.